Salinas here with Window Ninjas. Behind me I got one of our team out here pressure washing this building. This is a commercial condominium unit made up of multiple buildings. And our team is out here this week and we're going to do a low pressure house washing to remove all the mold and the mildew and the dirt and grime that's affecting all the exterior surfaces like the siding, soffits, trim, fascia boards, all of that. Mold and mildew grows and thrives in a warm, moist environment, and it's something that needs to be cleaned every single year. Allow the team at Window Ninjas to help you with this. Our low pressure house washing service is your best option when you want your home or commercial business looking amazing. Call us when you're looking for the best women's pressure washing service by a provider that you can trust. We're the highest rated, most reviewed company in the area, so give us a call today at 910-538-4223, or feel free to reach us on the web at www.windowninjas.com. Mention this, that you saw this on the web, we'll also give you 10% off. Tell them Gabe said get 10% off because I saw him on TV. Keep shining.